placed just greater emphasis on the public health aspects of the crisis, while Republicans tended to talk about more generalized national unity. Republicans were placing a greater emphasis on China, and also sort of mobilizing the country in sort of combative terms. We're going to fight coronavirus and beat coronavirus. The word coronavirus is disproportionately used by Republicans. We started the timeline for this data at the first explicit mention of coronavirus, which was January 17th. And then we let it run up until the end of March. We have this dictionary that we use to flag terms, even down to the hashtags that the parties tended to use. We specified a machine learning algorithm to look at the relationship between different term usage and partisanship among a certain set of tweets. The sort of 3/4-ish level of accuracy that we got is similar to what's been observed elsewhere in floor speeches. We take that level of out-of-sample classification accuracy, that ability to correctly identify the partisanship of who said what. Even people who are well aware of what the scientific consensus is on an issue may reject that consensus if it becomes like an issue that implicates their cultural identities. Citizens were being asked to be an active participant in the public's response. So it's particularly important that things like wearing a mask or not going to bars don't become cultural signifiers that implicate your political identities. We have planned analysis to look at similar patterns on governors who we think might be less polarized. We don't have Trump's tweets in there. Trump's tweets are obviously important. What is happening at the presidential election level with Trump and Biden, there are a lot of smart people thinking about this now. So I'm sure we'll start to see really, really interesting stuff coming out soon.